You've stared into the open fridge for 10 minutes.
I'm waiting for new food to appear.
That's not how fridges work.
It's a vending machine that owes me. Why does the microwave beep so loud?
So you know it's done.
It's done. The whole neighborhood knows it's done.
It's just a microwave.
It's an attention seeker. Did you fix the leaky faucet?
I made it worse. Then I fixed that part.
So, it's fixed?
It leaks confidently now.
The hallway bulb's been out for 3 weeks.
I'm aware.
So change it?
I'm letting it rest first.